Good afternoon mga idol. So welcome back sa channel natin, and in this short video, i-share ko lang yung PVP build ko. Kasi merong nagtanong, and then as you know, hindi naman talaga ako into PVP. Diba? So for the sake of responding and to help a fellow player, i-share ko yung based on my experience. Okay? So, very quick disclaimer, mag-iba tayo ng level. Ibig ko sabihin, 82 na ako, which means marami-rami na akong weapon trait points. 82 yung pwede kong i-distribute. So, here is my weapon traits, or here are my weapon traits. Scatter ko ay sa push, yung napupush back. And then, skip na ako dito. But how I wish meron pa akong extra points to get this. Kahit itong additional crit, pero wala. And also this one. Wala akong ano. Hindi ko na to kinuha. For altered crossbow, ito yung kinuha ko. Yung range attack and then range defense penetration mag-increase. For 90 seconds yan yung duration. Yung load special arrow, ito yung kinuha ko, yung may stun inducer. And then for marked shot, kinuha ko yung stun. And then sa annihilation, kinuha ko yung feeble and then disarm. Ngayon, for PVP naman talaga, most of the time inuuna ay naka-autocast lang yan. Pero sometimes kung gusto kong maging somehow technical, pinagsusunod ko yung mark shot stun, and then itong si load special arrow. So, yung gagawin ko lang dyan, naka-auto na yan lahat. So, for example, ito target natin. Pag nag-auto na silang lahat, pag nakast na yung scatter shot and then annihilation, saka ko ngayon ikakast si mark shot stun, and then itong may load special arrow na may stun inducer. So, ipapakita ko. Yan. So, that's the time na magkakast ako ng stun and then stun inducer. Yun, para nararatrat na siya. So, sa tao kasi, i-stun yun. Yun yung mga skills na ginagamit ko. Kapag PVP. But again, hindi naman talaga ako ito PVP. So, yun lang for my quick video of sharing my PVP build. Nothing special, yun lang yun for imprints. Yan. Hindi rin masyadong pinag-isipan kung ano lang yung merong yellow na makuha, kasi nga masakit sa temporal piece. But for this one, I made sure na makakuha ako at least 3 to 5 points man lang sa attack speed. And ito, I think kung meron akong extra points, ito yung papalitan ko talaga. Ano pa ba? For mount, most of the time naka-flamingo talaga ako. Sometimes ginagamit ko si Justice. Yun lang. Okay? Humon. Ito yung humon ko. Si Loneliness. Kasi meron siyang damage received decrease na 4%. Sometimes ito, meron siyang all damage to PVP. Ganun, at saka accuracy. Kasi swerte-swerte din naman yung yung sa matchmaking. Minsan nga unfair yung matching, so di ba? Nakakaumay. Yeah. So, bossing, I hope I was of a help in any way. Thank you for asking that question. Good afternoon sa'yo. Keep grinding.